Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this quick business credit funding tip, we're going to dive into who can actually see your commercial business credit reports. So with consumer credit, someone has to have your permission to pull your consumer credit reports. This is required under a law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which requires that someone have your permissible purpose to actually pull your consumer credit reports. Now, if somebody actually pulls your personal credit report without your permission, well, they could pay a fine of $1,000 or more for violating that aspect of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Now, with consumer credit, only certain organizations could even get the ability to pull your personal credit. Banks, auto dealers, mortgage brokers, others licensed to lend money are some examples of the limited amount of industries and people that can even get the ability to obtain this information. Now, business credit's very different. Business credit, it's public information. So that means anybody who wants your business credit reports can easily get them and do so very cheaply as well. So think about some of the people who could see your business credit reports whenever they want them. Customers, prospects, suppliers, lenders, credit issuers, potential investors in your company, others who you may want to do business with, competitors. Anybody who wants to see your business credit reports can access them. That means they can see the number of accounts that you have reporting, what your credit scores are, how high your limits are, how you pay your bills this quarter and 2 years ago, the number of employees you have, the revenue that you have. Any of this information is publicly accessible through your business credit report. So it's easy and cheap for anybody to obtain. And all that's needed to pull an established business credit report is your business name. Now, if they have your business name and the address of your business, they can pull your business credit reports without your permission. As a matter of fact, they don't even need your address. They just need the state that your business is in. With the business name and the state that you're in, anybody can pull those business credit reports. So keep monitoring your reports regularly to see what others know about you now. You can go to creditsuite.com/monitoring. That's creditsuite.com/monitoring to get access to your business credit reports. And keep building your business credit so you can have a credible image portrayed for anybody that wants to actually see those credit reports and scores. One of the best ways to manage good credit reports and scores is to focus on building your business credit and to have more positive accounts on there, as many as you can. That way, if you do have a surprising negative, an account you forget, an account that goes into collection, the positive can outweigh the negative. For more information on building business credit, grab our free 4-step guide at creditsuite.com/tips, or give us a ring at 877-600-2487, or visit us online at creditsuite.com.